Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme 9 Pro Plus to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both. Now click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, you need to get this free app from this developer and open it. In order to use Send Anywhere, do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one. I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up you can choose not now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Realme and Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select close this window and go back to Realme. Finally, you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories to select your files. You can also just tap on the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. When you're ready, tap on Send next to select it. Then click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Finally, choose the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on this scanning icon on an Android next to Input key. Select while using or only this time to allow camera access. And point your device's camera at the code. Then just wait. If you wish to input this key though, you need to tap on Input key section, type in all of those numbers, and hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!